Look at this beautiful layout. Super hilly. Man, I didn't know these courses exist here. Next year in the summer, I'm definitely going to come here and play more. Today we are at Bond Head North Course. Temperatures pretty much in the single digits. Soon you'll see me in a cap, winter cap. Probably the last round of this year, if not. I really need to start warming up before I play these rounds because it's very cold. Okay, so first hole, par 4, 405 yards. Beautiful view down the fairway. For my second shot, 130 yards. Pitching wedge. It's quite thick grass. Down. If I can see it. So 30 yards chip, 56 in my hand. I want this to land a bit soft. Oh, it's up there. 4 on the 4. Hole number 2, Bond Head, 395 yards. There is a rough that I need to clear. It's 270 to the starting of the fairway. Shouldn't be very difficult, but as it's cold, I have no clue if I'm driving that long. All I'm going to try to do is aim for that bunker. Even if it goes right or left, it should be safe across the hazard. Oh, that's struck well. It's going to go into the rough. It should be safe. Oh, kick into the fairway. Awesome. That's a good kick. It's very important to know what distance you are carrying if you're going to play from the blacks or the longest tee. So that's what we are doing today. Trying to again challenge ourselves to see whether still got it or not. So far started with the bogey, so trying to minimize the damage and keep moving. So far blessed with the sun. I hope no more clouds. Uphill shot. It's 114 with the uphill. So 114 uphill. I am thinking of playing about 125 yards, 10 yards of buffer. 52 in hand. It should be on. putting for birdie on the second.
I completed the bunkers.
How many on this hole?
13 on this.
13 bunkers on this hole.
13 bunkers on this hole.
I went into 2 of them. Still made a 6, that's not bad. So much of turn. Just completely turning this way. But for par, feels like it will roll towards the right, keeping it left edge. Oh, did roll towards the right. I think should have kept it slightly further out or the left edge, but so 2 bogeys in a row. That's how I play these days. All bogeys. I'm basically an 18 handicapper these days. Hole number 3, par 3. It is to the center green. I am 202. Those are the golden tee box. I'm not playing off the goldens, I'm playing off the blacks. Those are further back. 206. I think that calls for a 5 iron. I'm really not sure though. I don't want to hit my 4. Even if I'm short of the green, I'm okay. All I'm trying to do is hit center green. 206 to the center. No, to the flag. Right, so easy 5 iron. Oh, pulled it. Down. Pulled it. Next shot. Can't see the flag. Not even sure where the green starts and ends. Just want to loft it up, drop it on the green, and try to make a par from there. Punching onto the flag. We had the flag in sight now. Just want to make up and down.